For Action News, I'm Anna Dulosky. When you think of a healthy childhood, what comes to mind? Well, for one woman, it meant eating only organic food, no sugary drinks, no MSG, and no vaccines at all. Those memories, though, also came with constant illness, measles, mumps, rubella, whooping cough, meningitis, and HPV. Yes, those are all things Amy Parker, a teacher, had contracted while growing up in a healthy home. And now she's telling her story in hopes to get anti-vaccine advocates to listen. She points out it's not only about your own children, but about those unhealthy children who can't be vaccinated. And the more people who convert to anti-vaccination beliefs, the less safe all of us are. Here's ACTIA's Director of Public Health, Ariel Savransky, with more.
An interesting point about this article is that this is all this one woman's story. It's a self-reported story that she's using to try to illustrate a point about how important vaccines are. The anti-vaccine movement is basically based on anecdotes, on people, one person's story about something that was caused by their children getting a vaccine. So she's kind of using this as a counterpoint to the anti-vaccine movement, but in the same way that they're, trying to create their movement. In a way, she's almost appealing to the anti-vaccine movement at a level that they can identify with. But in essence, her piece is very powerful because it shows that she grew up not being vaccinated. She got basically every single vaccine-preventable disease. She saw people who she was close with die because they were not vaccinated. She, in turn, got her children vaccinated, and she says that they're even healthier than she was when she was growing up because they really haven't been sick. They've hardly been on antibiotics. They haven't gotten any of the vaccine-preventable diseases that she suffered when she was younger. So really it shows how important vaccines are in getting rid of these preventable diseases. She also touches on the point that by not vaccinating your children, you're not only putting your children at risk, but you're putting everyone around your children who maybe, are not healthy enough to get vaccines, or there's something else that's preventing them from getting vaccines. They're too young, so they haven't been vaccinated yet. You're putting those people at risk. And if these anti-vaccine people keep spreading their anti-vaccine ideals, there's not going to be this herd immunity, and they're really going to be putting a lot more people at risk.
To read more on this story and others, you can head to our website, actia.org. And while you're there, don't forget to also sign up for your daily dose of news delivered straight to your inbox. For Action News, I'm Anna Dulosky.